Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record cinematic mode video on your iPhone. So first of all, let's launch camera on your iPhone and you want to swipe to cinematic mode. Okay, now in the top right, you want to tap this icon with dots to select aperture where you can adjust it. So this is basically depth of field. So you can use this slider in order to adjust it. Additionally, you can turn on here flash and to set exposure. And now if you tap this field in the top left, you can change resolution and frame rate. Okay, and now when you adjusted your camera, you want to tap this record button, and additionally you can set some subject in focus. So all you're gonna do is tap subject to set focus. Okay, and I feel like that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.